MPSA 9009 Colorway Retro Keycap Cherry PBT, Price $72 США, 16, Brand Name Mechanical Primitive, Application, Desktop, Language, English, Keyboard Standard, 108 Keys, Type, Wired, Operation Style, Mechanical, Style, Gaming, Ergonomics, Стандарт, Model Number, 108K, Interface Type, USB, Full L-Size Keyboard, ES, Package, ES. GK61SK61 Mechanical Keyboard Russian Panda USB, Price $65 США, 53, Brand Name Skylaong, Application, Desktop, Application, Laptop, Language, English, Origin, CN Origin, Keyboard Standard, Mini Keyboard, Type, Wired, Operation Style, Mechanical, Style, Standard, Ergonomics, Multimedia, Water Proof, Gaming Model Number SK61 Panda, Interface Type, USB, Full L-Size Keyboard, No Package, ES. Milk Keycap S Milk Cover Keycap, Price $62 США, 99, Brand Name OLOEY, Type, Keycap S, Origin, CN Origin, Milk Keycap S Milk Cover Keycap, Материал, PBT, Processes, 5-Side Sublimation, Profile, Cherry, Number of Keycap S, 150. Минималист нижнее подчеркивание White нижнее подчеркивание Japanese нижнее подчеркивание Keycap S нижнее подчеркивание Fo нижнее подчеркивание M, Price $53 США, 99, Brand Name OLOEY, Application, Number, Language, Europe, Brazilian, Russian, Japanese, UK, French, Hebrew, English, Origin, CN Origin, PBT Plastic, Dye-Sap, Cherry Profile, 135 Keys. Sega Mario Keycap Cherry Original Profile, Price $35 США, 69, Brand Name DeVay Fetish, Origin, CN Origin, Interface, Bluetooth, Type, Ergonomic, Language, English, Keyboard Standard, 108 Keys, Type, Wired. $146 Keys XDA Profile PBT Macaron Keycap S, Price $31 США, 70, Brand Name Annipro, Type, Keycap S, Origin, CN Origin, Type, DeVay Sublimation Keycap S, Keycap, 146 Keys XDA Profile PBT, Материал, PBT. Metropolis нижнее подчеркивание Keycap нижнее подчеркивание Five Side нижнее подчеркивание Sublimation, прайс $40 США, 99, Brand Name OLOEY, Application, Number, Language, Europe, Brazilian, Russian, Japanese, UK, French, Hebrew, English, Origin, CN Origin, Keyboard Standard, 108 keys, Type, Virtual Keyboard, Operation Style, Mechanical, Style, Standard, Interface Type, USB.